Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about the remaining questions of review exercise of class 7 or chapter number 7 of class 9 mathematics. We have already done the MCQs and linear inequalities and linear equations. Question number 3 is for review exercise of chapter number 7. That is on page number 143. Short answers. First of all, we have done already this question, define linear inequality in one variable. That's what is the definition of linear inequality. We have already done this from last 2 lectures. Its definition is available on page number 139. Page number 139 in the second paragraph. A linear inequality in one variable x is an inequality in which the variable x occurs only to the first power and has a standard form. From a linear inequality, page number 139, a linear inequality from this to standard form and then its general form is ax plus b greater than 0 or less than 0. Okay, and a will not be equal to 0. This is linear inequality in one variable definition. The second part is some properties of linear inequality. Properties of inequality. Now this thing, what is the requirement here? First is trichotomy property. This property is totally related with inequality. This is also available on page number 139. At page number 139, you can see all the properties. The first property is this law of trichotomy or trichotomy property. This is just like if A and B are two numbers that are related to real numbers. If A and B both are real numbers. What are real numbers? We have already done these things in chapter number 2. So if A and B are any two numbers, then there can be only one possibility at one time from 3. Either A is greater than B or B is greater than A. We can say that A is bigger and B is lesser. Or we can say that B is greater or A is lesser. If both are not present, then the last possibility is A and B are equal. Tri means 3. From 3, only one possibility can be occur. For any two numbers, comparison of any two numbers in this world, we can say that first number is greater or second number is lesser. Or we can say that second number is greater and first number is lesser. If both possibilities are not fulfilled, then it is obvious that both numbers are equal. This property is called trichotomy property. Okay. The second thing is transitive property. Yes, transitive property. Transitive property is between three values. If we have three values A, B, and C, and both and three values are related to real numbers. If three numbers are from real values, then we can say that if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, you need to say this value is greater than B and this value is greater than C, then what will be the connection of A and C? Then A is also greater than C. It is obvious. If A is greater than B, we need to say B is smaller. Then B is greater than C. B is already smaller than A, then C is too smaller than A. So the connection between A and C will be already established that A will be greater than C. This is for greater symbol or for lesser symbol or less than symbol. If A is less than B, then B is greater, A is lesser. And B is less than C, then the very greater value is C and the very lesser value is A. So what will be the connection between A and C? Then A is obviously less than C because now C is the greater number. These two relations are called transitive property. These are two values. Now the part third is the formula relating which you have already done within your class 9 physics, or if not, then we can easily find this. The formula relating degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, or within chemistry, I think you have done this formula, degree to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. This formula is for centigrade or Celsius to Fahrenheit. These are temperature quantities. The formula is F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. This is the formula of conversion of centigrade into Fahrenheit. Within your thermometer, some divisions are presented there that are not for degree centigrade, that are only related to your Fahrenheit. If you are going to say that temperature is 100, temperature is 101, then it doesn't mean 101 degrees centigrade. It only means 101 Fahrenheit. Okay, this is the formula of centigrade to Fahrenheit. So the question is, the formula relating to Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius is this. For what value of C is F? What will be the value of C if F is less than 0? F is less than 0 means if any value is less than 0, then that value will obviously be negative. So we need to find the value of C. We know that F is less than 0. F is less than 0 means we need to find the value of C. So we have the value of F. F is equal to, put the value of F, 9 over 5 C plus 32, and after that less than the. This is the value of F. Now you just need to find only the value of C. How? This plus 32 will be negative there. And this 5 will multiply there. Now this 9 will divide on the other side. 5 2s are 10, and then 5 3s are 15, and then 160 minus 160 divided by 9. So through this value, at this value, your Fahrenheit value will be negative. So the value of C is less than minus 160 degrees over 9. This was part number 3. Part number 4, you need to skip it. There is no requirement for this question in this course. So we need to skip the part number 4. Now for question number 4, solve each and check for extraneous. This is the thing that you have already done. Solve and check. The first part is square root 2t plus 4 is equal to square root t minus 1. Now first we need to find the value, the variable value. Abolish these square root signs. How? Just scaling on both sides. Two t plus 4 whole square is equal to t minus 1 whole square. Square cancel with this square root, and you are left with only 2t plus 4 is equal to t minus 1. We have now collect all the values related to t on the one side and remaining on the other. So 2t minus 2 is equal to minus 1 minus 4. So 2t minus t means t is equal to minus 5. So this is the value of t. Now we need to check it and confirm it. That is this the value of t extraneous or not? So to check it, you need to put the value of t inside here. Square root 2 and the value of t that is minus 5 and then plus 4 is equal to square root minus 5 and then minus 1. 2 into minus 5 means to say minus 10. Minus 10 plus 4 is equal to square root minus 5 minus 1, that is minus 6. So minus 10 plus 4, that is square root minus 6 is equal to square root minus 6. Both are balanced. We need to say it is not extraneous. This is the proper solution. This was part number 1. Now we will solve the part number 2. Part number 2 is square root 3x minus 1 is equal to minus 2 square root 8 minus 2x is equal to 0. Okay. Now you need to find the value of x. So this negative value will be positive on the right hand side, so square root 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 square root 8 minus 2x. Now scaling on both sides, scaling on both sides will make 2 square 8 minus 2x 1 square. Square cancel with this square root. We are left with 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 square, that is 4 8 minus 2x. Now multiply 4 inside. 4 is a 32 minus 4 is a 8x. Now collect all the values relevant to x on the one side and other are on the other side. 3x plus 8x is equal to 32 plus 1. 3x plus 8x means 11x is equal to 33. 11 1s are 11 3s are. So now the value of x will be this. But we are not sure about that. For that purpose, we need to check it. For checking procedure, we need to put this value of x inside this question. Square root 3 and then apply this value, that is 3 minus 1 minus 2 and then square root 8 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 3. This is a 9, 9 minus 1 makes square root 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 3 is a 6, 8 minus 6 means 2 is equal to 0. Now check it if this thing works or not. You know that 8 is combination of 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 minus 2 square root 2 is equal to 0. Because 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. We can make this pair as a square. 2 square multiplied by 2 minus 2 square root 2 is equal to 0. Now, separate them. 1 square with this square root multiplied by this square root minus 2 square root 2 is equal to 0. This square cancels with this square root and we are left with only 2 square root 2 minus 2 square root 2 is equal to 0. After cancelling them, we are left with only 0. So again, this is not extraneous. This was question number 4. Now for question number 5. Question number 5 is for absolute values. 3x plus 14 within mod minus 2 is equal to 5x. Now move this negative 2 towards the right hand side. We are left with 3x plus 14 is equal to 5x plus 2. According to the rule, this value should be independent. Nothing will going to multiply, divide, subtract or add with it. And towards right hand side, the value is totally positive. So you can make it separate. 3x plus 14 is equal to positive 5x plus 2. And 3x plus 14 will be negative 5x plus 2. Now solve it and get the answer. 3x will be negative there, this positive 2 will be negative there. 5x minus 3x, 14 minus 2 answer is 12 is equal to 2x, 2 will be divided here. So 12 divided by 2 answer is 6. This is the first thing. Because this time negative sign will going to multiply inside. Minus 5x minus 2. Now shift the values 3x plus 5x is equal to minus 2 minus 14. 3x plus 5x means 8x is equal to negative 16. 8 ones are 8, 8 2 are 16, so x value will be negative 2. After that, part number 2. Again, it was the same thing for absolute value that we have already done with exercise 7.2. Part number 2. 1 over 3 x minus 3 is equal to 1 over 2 x plus mod x plus. Now this is not independent and this x plus 2 is also not independent. So make them independent. This is x minus 3 and this will going to divide here and will be mod x plus 2 is equal to this. We will going to multiply towards here, so that it makes 3 by 2. Now you can see that all the values relevant to absolute value are on left hand side and remaining values are on right hand side after making it cross multiplication. This is also mod, this is also mod, so make it only one mod. Now you can see that this is independent and this value is positive, so separate them. It's minus 3 over x plus 2 is equal to 3 by 2. X minus 3 over x plus 2 is equal to negative 3 by 2. Now cross multiply them. And same as the thing here. 2x minus 2 3 by 6 is equal to 3x plus 3 to the 6. So this 2x will be negative here, this plus 6 will be negative here. it makes minus 6 minus 6 is equal to 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x makes x is equal to minus 6 and minus 6. That will make minus 12. This is first value of x. And for this one, 2x minus 2 3 6 is equal to minus 3x minus 6. Now move these values here and there. This value 2x plus 3x is equal to minus 6 and plus 6. Minus 6 and plus 6 answer is 0. 2x plus 3x is 5x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 divided by 5. The value of x is 0. And that's it. This was your question number 5. Now the last question is relevant to inequality that we have recently done. Last question of review exercise. Question number 6. Solve the inequality. Part number 1 is minus 1 over 3x plus 5 less than equal to 1. Now see that we have all the rules that we have already done. We need to apply here. The rules are you need to make the values relevant to x, always make it positive. So you don't need to change the less than or greater than symbol. Mean to say this value of x is relevant to negative sign, we need to make it positive. For that purpose, shift it towards the right side, and this plus 1 will be towards the left side. So you are left with 5 and then minus 1. This sign will not be changed. So this will be 1 over 3x. Now this will be positive. So 5 minus 1 answer is 4. Same sign, 1 over 3x. This 3 will going to multiply with this 4. So 3 4s are 12. That is it. And the second part, or the last part, very last part, minus 3 less than symbol 1 minus 2x over 5 less than symbol then 1. Now separate them, minus 3 less than 1 minus 2x over 5. Because this is connected with this and this middle value is connected with this. So we separate this here and this on the right side. Okay, this portion is here. Now solve it. This 5 will go to multiply here. 5 multiplied by minus 3 answer is minus 15. Less than 1 minus 2x. Again, this x sign is negative. So make it positive. Shift there. This will be 2x less than 1 plus 15. 1 plus 15 is 16. So 2 will going to divide towards the right hand side. 1s are 2, 8s are 16. This is your first answer. And for this, 5 multiplied by 1, that means 5 ones are 5. Again, this is x is relevant to negative. So make it positive. 1 minus 5 less than 2x. 1 minus 5 answer is minus 2 less than 2x. This 2 will be negative here. So this 2 will be divided. So minus 2 less than x. Now we need to write it in a proper solution set form just like this. Okay. The first portion is minus 2. Minus 2 less than x. Write it here. Then this x is connected with this 8. After x, you need to write. And that's it. This was completely your chapter number 7 that is over today. So after that, you are going to enter for linear graphs. And for this chapter, chapter number 8, you need to do only one exercise. That is exercise 8.1. and it's a review exercise. And after that, chapter number 9, then your geometry portion will be left on. So for today, this is enough. Now, if you have any question regarding today's lecture or any previous lecture, you can ask it now. And thank you. जी स्टूडेंट्स, हाँ जी, अलीजा, हुसैन एंड राबिया हसन। हुसैन, आपको समझ आ रही है जो कुछ हम पढ़ रहे हैं?
यस सर।
सारे लेक्चर आप नोट कर रहे हैं?
यस सर।
ठीक है जी। अलीजा, आवाज आ रही है आपको? हाँ जी, राबिया हसन, आपको आवाज आ रही है? यस, उस्मान यूनुस, उस्मान यूनुस, आपको आवाज आ रही है? जी उस्मान यूनुस, आर यू लिसनिंग टू मी?